Hi, I'm Mark, and today I'm going to be giving you a tour of Regency Towers, Unit 601. I'm standing here and I'm looking over Dolphin Drive, and down at the end of Dolphin Drive is a public boat ramp. So it's very convenient to a public boat ramp from Regency Towers. We're going to walk towards the unit. Elevator right here, and the first unit away from the elevator is Unit 601. Let's go on in and take a look. We come on in. We've got tile flooring, 12 by 12. We've got beadboard and chair rail molding in the hallway. Protects the walls from the guests checking in and out. Paint job looks pretty good, beach themed. Come down the hallway, and the first thing we come to is one of the first front guest bedrooms. Right now it's got a couple of twin beds in it. And that's a view of West Bay out that window and the homes and neighborhood that surround it. Down the hallway we've got an owner closet here. It's all locked up, I can't show it to you. Got just a regular kind of coat storage closet here. Got a couple of beach chairs. And before we go into the common living area, let's go ahead and check out this other front guest bedroom. Now this one's actually equal size to the primary suite, which is on the other side. So we have a split bedroom floor plan. That is a king bed. So as you can see, this bedroom is nice and sizable. Over here, you look. One big closet, but it does have two doors, so his and hers. Go down the hall again. And here we come to the laundry utility room. Again, the tile floor continues. HVAC, hot water heater, side-by-side washer and dryer. That's kind of uncommon in beachfront condos at Panama City Beach. Usually you get a laundry closet with a stackable washer and dryer, so sometimes it's nice to have a full size. Then we've got the hall bath. Full bath, tub shower combo, tile backsplash. Then we'll head into the primary wing, the suite. So we've got the ensuite full bath. Again, tub shower combo, tile backsplash, and king bedroom set in this bedroom. Now, this bedroom has balcony access, and I'll give you an angle. From the bed, you can see the Gulf of Mexico. But before we go out to the balcony, we're going to go out and check out the common living area. The first thing we're going to come to is the kitchen. White cabinets, silver and black appliances, beautiful stone counters. Got lots of cabinet space. It's nice and bright in here. Refrigerator, pantry. View from the kitchen into the common living area. Nice breakfast bar. Formal dining area. Living room. From some of the seats in the house, view of the Gulf. That is a pull-out sofa, sleeper sofa, and a view of the common living area from the balcony threshold. Well, let me show you this balcony. Got a tile floor. It's currently enclosed. So we've got a triple panel slider here. And it's enclosed over in the corner with a window down low for cross breezes. Now what's great is that if you want to have this open and catch the breeze, you can have it all the way open. You get yourself the balcony Gulf view experience. Or, it's wintertime right now, it's February. You can close this off. And while you have the living room and the primary bedroom suite doors open. This is a sealed room. It's just outdoor conditioned space. Well, that wraps up the tour for Regency Tower 601. All the details are in the description of this video or on the MLS data. Bye now.